Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Katio Kadio is probably one of the most innovative and essential tools for any pet owner looking to maintain a clean and comfortable home, especially for those with shedding companions, as this device promises to revolutionize the grooming process by not only keeping your pet looking their best but also by tackling the persistent problem of pet hair scattered throughout your living space, making it a must-have for a pristine environment. Number 5. Neakasa P1 Pro Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Meet the Neakasa P1 Pro, your ultimate solution for pet grooming at home. This all-in-one kit is designed to make grooming easy and efficient. It offers a versatile 6-in-1 grooming experience, combining clippers and a powerful vacuum. Keep your pet looking their best with minimal effort. Experience the impressive 9,000 pascals suction power that effectively captures loose hair and dander. Say goodbye to messy shedding around your home. Designed with low noise operation, it ensures a stress-free grooming session for your furry friend. The large 1L dust cup means less frequent emptying. This tool is ideal for managing shedding and trimming your pet's coat right in the comfort of your home. Achieve professional results with ease. The Neakasa P1 Pro simplifies your pet care routine. It's the perfect companion for maintaining your pet's hygiene and appearance effortlessly. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive 6-in-1 grooming solution with strong 9,000 pascals suction. If you're looking for a versatile tool that handles shedding and trimming efficiently while keeping noise levels down for a calmer pet, this is a great choice. It's ideal for pet owners who want a complete grooming experience in one device. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is very quiet and the suction power is strong, which is very suitable for grooming pets. The design is user-friendly, with multiple grooming attachments that can be easily switched out. It effectively collects pet hair, reducing mess and making cleanup a breeze. Number 4. ONEISALL LM5 Dog Hair Vacuum Grooming Brush Kit. Tired of shedding season? Introducing a revolutionary grooming tool designed to tackle even the thickest pet coats. Keep your home cleaner and your pet happier with this all-in-one solution. Experience unparalleled cleaning power with 15,000 pascals suction. It effortlessly captures loose hair and dander, leaving your pet's coat smooth and your furniture free of fur. Grooming your pet has never been so peaceful. Our advanced low-noise technology ensures a stress-free experience for both you and your furry friend. The generous 1.5L dust cup means less frequent emptying, allowing for longer grooming sessions. Simply detach and clean when needed. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a grooming brush, a shedding tool, cleaning brush, hair remover roller, and a crevice tool. It's the ultimate solution for pet grooming and home cleaning needs. Specifically engineered for pets with thick coats, this tool effectively removes undercoat and loose hair. Achieve professional grooming results right at home. What we like? With a powerful 15,000 pascals suction and a 5-in-1 design, this kit tackles thick coats and heavy shedding with ease. The generous 1.5L dust cup means fewer interruptions during grooming sessions. If you have a pet with a dense coat or shed a lot, and you prioritize strong suction and less frequent emptying, this is the one for you. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is designed with a powerful suction that effectively removes pet hair from furniture and floors. It comes with multiple grooming attachments, including a de-shedding brush and a trimming comb, making it versatile for different coat types. The low-noise operation ensures a comfortable grooming experience for pets, reducing anxiety and stress. Number 3. BUENKEE Dog Grooming Kit with Vacuum. Introducing the ultimate grooming solution for your furry friend. Keep your pet looking their best while maintaining a spotless home environment. Experience the power of 15,000 pascals suction that effortlessly collects loose hair. Say goodbye to shedding and hello to a cleaner living space. Our shedding brush is designed for comfort, gently removing excess fur without causing discomfort. Your pet will love the soothing massage. The generous 2-liter capacity means less frequent emptying, allowing for uninterrupted grooming sessions. Tackle even the most active pets with ease. This grooming kit features a modern, sleek white design that will complement any home decor. It's as stylish as it is functional. From clipping to shedding, this all-in-one kit handles all your pet's grooming needs. Simplify your routine and enjoy more quality time with your beloved companion. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive 15,000 pascals suction power and a large 2L dust capacity, ensuring efficient grooming and less mess. Its clean white design is also a plus for those who appreciate aesthetics. If you need robust suction for thorough grooming and a large container to manage significant shedding, this option delivers both performance and style. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is very quiet and has strong suction power, making it effective for grooming pets. It comes with multiple attachments for different grooming needs, such as de-shedding and trimming. The collection bin is easy to empty and clean, which is a convenient feature for pet owners. Number 2. Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Tired of pet hair everywhere? This grooming vacuum collects 99% of loose fur as you groom, keeping your home clean and tidy. Say goodbye to shedding chaos. Make home grooming a breeze with this versatile kit. It includes a gentle grooming brush for a shiny coat, electric clippers for precise trims, and a nail grinder for complete grooming. Achieve the perfect look with 6 adjustable clipping combs. Easily switch between lengths to suit your pet's specific fur type and desired style. Designed with a low-noise motor and 3 adjustable suction levels, it ensures a comfortable grooming session. Your pet can relax and enjoy the process without fear. The large, detachable dust cup makes cleanup simple. Emptying is quick and mess-free, so you can focus on grooming, not on cleaning up after. With an extended hose and long power cord, you have the freedom to groom your pet anywhere in your home or even outdoors. It's perfect for sensitive pets too. What we like. This all-in-one kit comes with 6 specialized grooming tools, including a nail grinder, and features a vacuum function to collect hair. The flexible hose and long cords offer great maneuverability. If you're looking for a complete grooming package that addresses multiple needs from trimming to nail care, and you value flexibility in where you groom, this is an excellent contender. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is designed for pet grooming, with a powerful suction that effectively removes loose hair and dander from pets. It comes with multiple grooming attachments, including a de-shedding brush and a grooming comb, allowing for versatile grooming options. The vacuum cleaner operates quietly, minimizing stress for pets during grooming sessions. Number 1. ONEISALL BM37 in 1 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. This all-in-one kit is designed for complete pet grooming and home cleaning. It includes brushes for coat care and shedding, clippers and a nail grinder for trimming, and tools to keep your floors and furniture clean. Forget frequent emptying with its extra-large 3-liter dust cup. It maintains powerful suction across multiple grooming sessions, perfect for homes with heavy shedding or multiple pets. The rechargeable cordless clippers glide through your pet's coat effortlessly. With 6 included guard combs, you can achieve professional-level trims for all body parts. You can use the clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder independently for quick touch-ups anywhere. Or, connect them to the vacuum hose for a mess-free, all-in-one grooming experience. Designed to be quiet, operating below 60 dB, it helps keep your pet calm during grooming. 3 adjustable suction levels allow you to tailor the experience to your pet's comfort. Experience a cleaner, faster grooming process with its powerful 13 kPa suction. It captures up to 99.99% of loose hair and dust directly into the container, keeping your home spotless. All accessories fit neatly into the included storage bag. The long hose and power cord provide ample freedom to groom your pet anywhere in your home or yard. What we like. This kit stands out with its exceptionally large 3L dust cup, perfect for multi-pet households or those with very heavy shedders, minimizing emptying. The inclusion of cordless clippers offers ultimate freedom of movement. If you're tired of frequent emptying and want the convenience of cordless trimming alongside a comprehensive 7-in-1 grooming solution, this is the ultimate choice for uninterrupted grooming. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is very quiet and the suction is strong. It can easily suck up pet hair, dander, and dirt. The grooming kit includes several tools, such as a grooming brush, a de-shedding tool, and a nail grinder, which can meet various grooming needs. The large capacity dustbin is easy to clean and empty, and the filter is washable, which is convenient for long-term use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.